Welcome to 8 Zokol Crescent here in Kanata Lakes. This is one of the nicest streets in all of Kanata Lakes, and one of the best things about it is that it's backing onto designated green space. I really love that. This house ticks off so many boxes that people are looking for when they're looking for an empty nest bungalow or just to downsize into a bungalow. It doesn't have a lot of exterior maintenance at all. It even has irrigation in the front and backyard. You don't have a large lot. You don't have a lot of landscaping that you have to tend to. It also doesn't have a lot of finished space in the basement to have to tend to. There's a great workshop down there, but at the same time, you've got a house with space so that people aren't tripping over each other. You've got good living space here. Cosmetic work to be done, yes, but it's a great house. Come and have a look.